day 4 of our Zurich travel, Switzerland travel. So today we are headed to Lucerne, and from Lucerne we are planning to go to Mount Pilatus, where we are planning to take the toboggan ride and do some activities over there. And our next destination, if time permits, is going to be the Lindt chocolate factory. So stay along with us and hope you enjoy this vlog. We have reached Lucerne and we are planning to do the golden ride from here, which is basically a combination of boat ride,
cogwheel train and cable car.
train?
Cogwheel
Train and cable car. So it's going to be taking a little bit more time than expected, but we want to do it because we have heard that the view from the boat ride is going to be amazing. So let's go and explore that option. So apparently we are dropping the boat ride plan because it is going to take us a lot of time. The boat is going to come after 35 to 40 minutes, and then it is going to take another 50 minutes to 1 hour to reach the destination, and from there the other kinds of transport. So we are now planning to board a bus or a train to
Alpnachstad, which is like the base for the cogwheel train.
Yeah. Have reached
Alpnachstad.
I struggle pronouncing the names of the places, but my husband is there for that. But anyway, we are now going to take the cogwheel ride, and then probably we are going to take the cable car ride. Ooh. Just wow. Okay, so we are here and we are going to take this cogwheel ride, which is supposedly the steepest cogwheel ride in the world. We are going to go all the way up, and from there we are going to come down via cable car. And on the way, if we find a spot, if the weather permits, then we will go for the toboggan ride. We are going to take this ride. This is the cogwheel, and this is supposed to be the steepest in the world. So we have come to the section where we can see the panoramic view of the entire Mount Pilatus, and the view is breathtaking. We are literally on top of the clouds right now.
So we came up from the left side of the mountain via the cogwheel, but at top over here, as you can see all the way down, the amazing Lake Lucerne. We'll be going down this way by the cable car, but for the time being we're going to enjoy this view for a couple of hours.
So we are now planning to climb all these stairs up to the top to see what kind of a view we get from there. Finally reached that top, the SL top, and the view from here is
just spectacular. It's a full panoramic 360 degree view from here. This is the highest point on the Pilatus school.
So we initially went up there, sorry, not up there, up here. Yes, up here. Now after we come down from here, we are planning to go all the way up there. Let's see. Not sure what this is.
It's called Dragon World.
Dragon, it's called Dragon World.
So apparently, if you saw everywhere the Pilatus logo is there, it is accompanied by a dragon logo as well. So we are about to find out why there's a dragon logo.
Fly higher. Fly down. Not sure where we are going, but we found a small cave kind of a thing.
Legend has it this is the cave of the dragon.
Oh.
So we are on the cable car down towards Queens. All the way will stop at Frank Montag first for the toboggan ride. Stay tuned.
Really fingers crossed that we get to ride the toboggan ride and the weather is clear enough for the ride to happen.
I mean, right now it's completely foggy at top of the mountain, so we can't see anything. If we can turn the camera, can't see anything. Hopefully, without the rain, we can still do the toboggan ride.
So unfortunately the toboggan ride is closed, and there is something called the dragon glider where you basically do zip lining with your partner. That is also closed.
Unfortunately, because of the rain, they have closed it. The dragon rider might open if it doesn't rain for the next 1.5 hours, which seems unlikely. It's completely, cloud atop us. And the toboggan, I'm thinking, given the rain yesterday and today, it's completely closed. I guess, we have to find some other place.
So anyway, with that, it leaves us to only one option, to go down and go to the Lindt chocolate factory. So that is what we are planning to do. Let's see. We are waiting for our friends to come down, and then we will decide together. Guess what? We were able to do the toboggan ride. We had to, we were waiting for the dragon liner to open up, but fortunately the toboggan ride opened up and we had the time of our life. Actually the tripods and phones were not allowed in the ride because of safety reasons, so we could not capture the video of it, but we have taken slight photographs of it. And oh god, my husband actually wanted to do it again because he was slowed down because of me, and he's extremely angry on me because of that, but nevertheless it was all worth it. But we have to now run to the chocolate factory. We have already booked the tickets at 5 p.m. so it will take around 2.5 hours to reach there, so we have to literally rush. So see you there. Okay, so we have now got inside of the cable car and we are going down to Queens, and this cable car accommodates actually 2 people. So so it accommodates 4 people, but me and my husband, we got up in one, and this is going to be another ride. This is such a nice view. Just have a look at it. We are now headed to the Lindt chocolate factory. We are almost there. It's a 750 meter walk from the station in which we got down. So we were supposed to reach there at 5, but I don't know, we might reach past 5 past 5 maybe, but still there is a 30 minutes buffer that is given there. So hopefully we will be able to enter. We have reached the chocolate factory, and the smell, the aroma of the chocolate, oh my god, It has like completely transformed the entire atmosphere. It's such a like, just when we entered this place, we have not yet entered the factory yet though, but
It's just around the corner.
yeah, but still we are getting that sweet aroma of chocolates.
And it's making us hungry.
Yes. The entire thing that you can hear through the audio here.
And
You get to learn so much.
the history of chocolate has always been unknown.
And why Swiss chocolates are so famous? Because most of the founders
Of the invention of how they were made.
were actually from the Swiss region, and the two most important one of them, Daniel Peter and
Lindt and Sprungli as well.
Lindt and Scully as well. But the main person who invented milk chocolate just out of an accident by mixing watery milk with cocoa powder, and then Mr. Nestle, he invented the condensed milk, and by combining that, milk chocolate was
I mean,
made. So
these have to be the tastiest accidents in the history of the world.
Yes, and that is why Swiss chocolate is so famous, because these are all Swiss people. Hi everyone. So yesterday, after coming back from Lindt Chocolate Factory, we actually went to Zurich HB station and we took takeaway food from there. I was craving Chinese, but I ended up having Singapore noodles, and my husband also had some pork and rice. So that is it for today's vlog. Hope you liked it, and please do like and subscribe to this channel and this video if you like the vlogs that we are uploading. We will see you in our next vlog, where we will be showing you the other days of our spending in Switzerland. We will be going to Mount Titlis, and then we will be heading off to Grindelwald, and we will take you along with us. So stay tuned for that.